Hey, this will be a video chart on HLNT. We're back looking at this one. If this one isn't an uptrend, then I don't know what is. It's one of these charts where it's popular, but it's not, like the most read message board or anything like that. It's just one of these that keeps on chugging upwards, putting in higher lows and higher highs. And I'm not going to quite call it a ninja because there's a lot of people that know about it, and there's people that are out there chatting about it, but it's not by any means one of these where it's blown up and everybody's talking about it, but it's just one that keeps on chugging upwards. So it's a pretty neat looking chart. Again, if I scrunch up this chart a little bit more, you can see that basically ever since moving out of the sideways period back here in May, it's just literally been higher low after or higher low and then higher high. So just a good chart that you could literally throw right into a textbook in terms of defining what is an uptrend and what does a true uptrend look like. So just want to update some support resistance levels. A few days ago had this big gap up, came back, back tested it as support, and then went back up and has now since been holding its gains. So this was just the next leg. You had their new higher high here. So as long as a higher low is put in, then the uptrend will remain. And what I'm defining as a higher low is just simply the 50-day simple moving average, which is down here at 0.009. Yes, I know that's a lot further down, but like I showed with the history of the chart, and most recently right here, as long as this price remains above this moving average, not only is the chart going to remain an uptrend, but its bigger brother down here, the 200-day simple moving average, is just going to get a stronger and stronger positive slope to it too, which is what what you want to see in the overall picture of the chart. In terms of an ideal support level, meaning if you were to ask me ideally what support level would you like to see hold, I would just tell you the previous high here at 0.016, and so far so good. The price has been doing a great job of holding it, so it shows a great amount of strength by being able to hold that. And then the next level of support is just going back to this previous high area over here, and then you can see acted as support quite a bit right here as the price fluctuated quite a bit around that area, and this level is just right here at 0.013. So these are two of the support levels I'd keep an eye on. Again, 0.016 would be the ideal one, and also another ideal one would be 0.013. But at the end of the day, as long as the price continues to hold above here, then the chart's just gonna remain on people's radars and keep on chugging upwards. So overall, great looking chart. In terms of resistance levels, you have this one up here at 0.019, and then the chart's back in the blue sky breakout territory. Resistance is very easy, and the path of least resistance is definitely up. You have all these support levels below it, and then you only have one resistance right now at 0.019. So that pretty much sums it up pretty good in terms of which way contains the path of least resistance. So if there are any other questions on the chart, though, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards on to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was HLNT. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the chart and what your strategy is going forward. Thanks for listening.